AIDS, or acquired immune deficiency syndrome, was identified in 1981. When it was first publicized, it was called a gay cancer. In 1981, only about 71 people in the United States had it. Within 2.5 years, 1,922 people in the US had it. By 1985, when they isolated the human immunodeficiency virus, or HIV, 12,067 Americans had been diagnosed, and approximately half of them had died. According to UNAIDS, it is estimated that 32.7 million people have died from AIDS or AIDS-related illnesses since the start of the epidemic, and an estimated 75.7 million people have become infected with HIV since the start of the epidemic. People ignored it at first because they thought it was only a gay disease. It wasn't until 1985, when Rock Hudson, who was a famous movie star that everyone thought was straight, came out as gay and HIV positive. He died shortly after that. There have been numerous groups raising funding and awareness of this disease over the years. AIDS found its way into popular culture through many artistic endeavors, starting with the book And the Band Played On by Randy Shilts, and the Names Project, that was a memorial to those who succumbed to the disease in the form of a giant quilt. There were Broadway shows in the 1980s, and the first movie about the issue was not until 1993, Philadelphia, starring Tom Hanks. By then, I think people were realizing that it was not just going away, and that it wasn't confined to the gay community. There still isn't a cure. But the treatments available today mean that it isn't an automatic death sentence when a person is diagnosed with HIV. There are approximately 1.2 million people living with HIV in the United States today, according to HIV.gov, which was last updated in June of 2020. And there are still new cases every year. So it's still not gone.